here.
Okay, Doc, start the second. Start the rally so it launches directly. When 5 people.
Yeah.
Go. Start marches.
You ready?
Yeah, rally. Yeah. Okay, I've got the
Just
bottom
join all
left.
of them quick. Yeah, join all of them quick, and then send the last march to one ad. There's one ad down there.
Yeah, I got
and
the.
there's
I
one
got.
ad
Yeah.
on
Don't double up. There's one left for Borky.
the. There's
one
one
also
down and
south.
one up. Yeah, for Doc.
I'll get the
Doc?
south one. That's alright. I'll get the south one.
You want me to start my solo?
Yeah, no, solo march to boss now. Last one to boss. Okay, ads are coming up again.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill that one. Just let me get my march back. I'm killing it now.
Yeah, Borky's on the left. You stay on the right, Mo, for the ads.
Yep.
Shit, is that my doorbell?
Okay, go. Why are the rallies taking too long? I don't get it. Join and do rallies quick. Nice. The last march kill ads, guys.
Yep, I'm killing ads too. I got the bottom right. I'm in bottom left. So. All right. After this, just no more solo hits. No more solo hits. The middle. You're gonna trigger it.
Yeah, no solo.
Achilles is soloing, but it's alright.
He won't do much damage. It's fine. It won't matter.
Okay.
Just a lot of ads.
Just
a lot of ads.
Yeah, there's a lot of ads. Just clear ads with your remaining march.
Yeah.
Ooh, it might trigger now. We still got about 10 seconds on the rally. Just clear the ads.
Yeah, it's fine. It won't. 74% it gets triggered.
Okay, solo march now. To middle, Doc.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, it's very good damage.
No, Doc got ported.
It's alright. Alright, everyone solo mid now. Except you guys.
Ash, get me, please. Ah.
Just focus on at Borky and Mo.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm gonna get out.
59% is very good, by the way, the damage.
Yeah, very fucking good, yeah.
Doc's got hit again. Might have to port. Yep, nice port. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Screw it, I'm just gonna...
Nice, guys, go.
Yeah, as long as I don't get ported.
We might hit 12. Fuck.
Shit.
Sorry man, I can't help you. I got 6 march out.
No, it's fine. Borky got me, it's fine.
Borky, recall? Don't help Dr. D. It's fine, just go on ads. We need the damage. Look at that damage. Nice, 50%. This is good. As long as we can get to 40. If we can get 49 before 49 minutes, it'd be really good. Or even before 50.
Yeah, we're 50 now. It's 50%. That's really good. We usually get it at 48%, at 48 minutes.
I got 10 seconds. As long as I can hit my 6 march would be really good here. 4 seconds. I got this hit.
Don't get ported. Nice.
Nice. Look at this. Nice, 48%. Look at that. Beautiful. Make sure to step out, when you have 6 March, just to double check. Ads, Borky.
Yeah.
Okay, Mo.
Fuck.
Can you port?
No, they couldn't.
44%. This is very good, very good, very good. Look at this. This is really, really good. Come on.
If we keep it up, we can get it at 10 minutes.
I'm speeding out I'm speeding my solo as well.
Yeah, I'm speeding my solos also.
Nice,
oh my
nice,
god,
nice.
It's so good. Look at this. It's very good timing.
Go. Focus on ads. On tumor, guys. On tumor, Borky. Nice. I'll do the. And Ash should help with the ads, not solo. We can't.
It's
We
okay.
can't have too many ads.
Yeah, you just focus on ads. You two focus on ads. Okay. Okay. Just say accolades.
I got most of the ads. Come on. Nice.
Shit.
I got the ads on the left. Okay. Sorry, I'll help them out. More cancel. More cancel.
I did. Okay.
Just focus on ads. Borky, you just make sure Borky hits the thing.
Yeah. Borky's doing well. Nice, guys. Nice.
Yeah, tumors on 30%, so that's not too bad. Okay, just keep it up.
It's really good.
Oh my god, I got hit. So bullshit.
It's nice. It's better you get hit instead of us, because if we get hit, a lot of ads show up. So that's fine. Keep it up. Good.
He's got shield, by the way. So something is wrong. Step out. Just double check. Step out. There's a buff on the ads somewhere. Once you get 6 March out. Ah, you kidding me?
A lot of fucking ads.
Yeah, that's fine. Help Achilles.
Yeah. Okay, they're dead now.
Yeah, just double check.
Thank God I'm not getting hit.
Just Borky said there was an invisible ad. Doc, you gotta get imported.
Borky got worted. At 20 solo.
We're just soloing all the way.
Yeah.
Kill the ads. I'm gonna step out as well.
They're all dead. No more ads.
No, there are ads.
There are two now that showed up.
There's like red. There's like 4 in the middle.
Yeah, I see them.
There's 3 next to Dr. D.
Yeah.
4 actually.
I sent marches there. Nice, 24%. Come on, guys, we can do it at 8 minutes or 9 minutes.
Tumor's high. By the way, you gotta help out a little bit on the tumor. Yes, tumor's down. Good job. Okay. Clear the ads, please.
All ads are dead. They're dead. Don't worry.
I'm killing one. There's an invisible one. Just make sure you step out once you got 6.
Dead. Nice. 22%. Go. It's 45 minutes. Come on.
We're trying. There's an ad.
I'm speed marching. Yeah, I'm speed marching now. Come on.
Did you get the red one?
Yeah, I did it. I'm marching there now.
Are you kidding me?
It's fine. 20%. Keep going. Solo. Keep going, guys. Keep going.
I'm trying.
Push.
I keep getting ported here. Cover the ads, please.
Yeah. Ads are fine now. No buff. Keep going. 17. Good. Very fucking good. Go.
Oh my gosh, me again. This is bullshit.
Got me too.
Just you, I think. Just you and Doc, because you're hitting it. I think.
Yeah,
I
just kill
haven't
ads,
got
please.
ported for a long time now. Yeah,
There's a lot of ads.
Well, a lot of solos, guys.
We're about to
A
hit
lot of
12
ads.
minutes here. If we can get it down in 40 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh my god, again? Are you kidding?
Nice, Ash. Nice. Keep soloing. Should I solo with you guys?
Yeah, if you can. Oh, well, there's a lot of ads, by the way, on the left.
I'm marching to all of them now. It's fine.
Come on, guys, 14 seconds. Let's push it.
12%. That's good. Come on. We're still 44 minutes. That's really good. Fuck. Ash, can you get me, please? Help with ads. Ash, please.
He's not in.
Ash is fuck. He's soloing with 6 marches. A lot of ads come out. Come on, 6%. Come on. Go.
Two more needs help.
No, I'm just gonna solo with you guys. Solo.
Just speed march to solo, man. We need the tumor out. We need the tumor out. Come on, 5%.
Fuck, Borky. Come on. If these hits right, yes. No! 1%. Go. Yes.
Nice.
Fuck.
Good job.
Very fucking good.
Oh,
11:51. Whoa!
Nice. Fuck.
Holy shit!
That's really fucking good, man.
But I used 190,000 bios.
Really? 109?
109.
Wow.
Holy
Shit, there's no way we could even beat that again.
Fuck. That's really fucking good, man.
I speed marched everything. Got at least 1, if not 2 speed ups.
Jeez, that is insane.
And
I think we
I recorded it.
everybody.